How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 71 Monte Carlo. It's been redone in its original cranberry red with a black top, black interior. See, the front bumper's been re-chromed. The grill's in real nice condition. All your headlight bezels look good. It's nice and straight down the sides. This car retains all of its original body panels and floors, which is pretty rare for a Monte Carlo. I've got the original bill of sale, Protecto plate, build sheet. It's a 350 4-barrel factory. See, rear bumper looks like it's been re-chromed as well. All the panel fitment and gaps on this car are just perfect. Vinyl top looks real nice. Again, you can see how nice and straight it is down the sides. Got a set of 8-inch rallies on it instead of the 7s. It's got BF Goodrich tires all the way around. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes, air conditioning. Just a very, very nice, unmolested car. See, the doors are all nice and clean. Got the original sticker there in the door. These are original door panels. Original dash. The headliner is original. It's nice and tight. They did recover the seats in a nice cloth instead of the vinyl, but they put all the buttons back in like it should have been. A lot more comfortable than the vinyl. I've had the opportunity to drive this car. I've put about 60 miles on it myself. Drives great. Just a super nice car. Trunk floor and everything looks real nice. It's got the original jack, spare. See the original jack sticker on the deck lid still. Bottom of the deck lid's original paint. It's got the 12-bolt rear end in it also. It's got all tinted glass. They did do an AM/FM CD stereo in it. They did a nice job putting it in the dash. I tell you, for being the original door panels and headliner, excellent condition. Doors shut perfectly. Fires right up. Motor has been rebuilt. It's got about 1,000 miles on it. Again, this is an all original panel car, factory cranberry red car. I tell you, super nice car. Just hard to find cars this nice anymore. And these cars ride so nice. Got a nice set of duals on it. Just a super nice car, folks. It's ready to go to your shows, your cruises, enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory, rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.